So we removed the engine. Hold on.
Oh my!
Too loud, it's a plane! All right, you ready?
A plane went over, so we decided to cut that scene.
All right.
I'll let you know.
See if I can do this with one hand. All right. You ready, Char? Good. 120. Nice. Yeah, pretty good. So, we removed the engine. We just did a nice little compression test. It's 150 across the board, except only one of the cylinders has 120, which is a lot better than, I think it was 130 across, and one of them had 30. That's pretty bad. We are almost ready to pull out the S50 95 M3 motor, 3.0 liter inline 6 engine from this year E30 with all the swap kit components needed. Anyway, let's get to it. What? This isn't gonna come off. And look, these two bolts right here have stoppers on them. Arc the shit out of everything. Mass, airflow. Let's mark this. Nice vacuum leak right there. You getting good light in there? Together. Radiator. We're gonna show and demonstrate how you put on a rubber glove with sweaty, yucky, gross hands.
Got it.
All right, come follow me. See this pedal? First, we're gonna try the best we can. Okay, that's the best we got. Look at that. Wonderful. We're going to lower the powertrain. Can you inspect while I'm doing this? Because we're actually going to drop the entire powertrain from below the car, we're going to use the differential drive shaft transmission all into the motor. The thing we're working on now is just disconnecting brake lines. Hold on to it, hold on to it. There you go. All right, we got the motor, cross member, suspension, everything out as one piece. All right, high five. That sounded good. All right. So we've got the full 95 M3 powertrain removed. However, it's not 100% a 95 M3 powertrain because this is actually, in fact, a get rag transmission from an E30. The exhaust on this is not the prettiest, but it's actually pretty nice. Nice long tube headers. Maybe they're from eBay, who cares? They're nice. Got that cherry bomb. Last thing on this car is to remove the differential. And then what we're gonna do is take the cherry picker and we're gonna lift this car. We're gonna slide this powertrain right under it. All right, we gave you the love you needed. Now it's time for your older brother that's been neglected. Okay, we're gonna give him some loving.